Hi guys, how are we doing? So guys, join me, let's do this tutorial together. Very simple to achieve. So the front will not long, you don't make the front to long more than the back. If you notice that the back, I did not tie it, I just put it there, but I use rubber for the front. Then this is to do what I lay it back on my head. The back is still there, I did not tie it, I just leave it like that. So this one now, I will try to tie it at the back. That is what I'm doing. So guys, please, if you have not followed my page, if today is the first time you are seeing my page, please try to follow and also share this video. Share the video, let the video go viral, please. And don't forget to comment about the style. How do you see it? Is it fine? Alright guys, so I'm trying to tie the back. I'm trying to tie it. So I've done that. You now see the leftovers and the one at the back. For the back to tie little, you're going to cross the hand. I've crossed it. Now you lay it on your head back, take it to the front. So now this place, now I'm going to use rubber band to band that place I'm holding. I'm going to band that place I'm holding. So this is the rubber. Then you tie it again for it to tie it very well. So after that, now I'm going to twist the hand. I'm going to twist the hand. That's what I'm doing. Then you round it like this. If you want to be at the front, you can put it there. You know, this one is side. I put it at the side of my head. So you find somewhere rather to suck that one inside. So guys, look at this style. How did you say it? So please don't forget to comment, like, and also share. If you have not followed the page, please try to follow the page. I love you guys. Let me show you the back. This is the back. So guys, see you guys in my next video.